Hey guys, it's Pate and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be doing a room tour because why not? You guys probably want to see my room because that's the background. You know, it looks actually pretty dirty from like this background, but it's actually not when I go through it. So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I know, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Well, yesterday for me, I just got over being sick well, yeah, I'm still kind of sick today, you know, but I had to volunteer for my NCL and all that, so I'm tired. I volunteered for 6 hours today. Fun. This is my sick water bottle. When I was volunteering today, we got lemon water, like at one of the stands, or the booth that I was working at, so this has lemon water in it, guys. So fancy. I have not been feeling so hot. Last night it was at 103 fever. Fun. And yeah, I don't feel good, so please don't mind the like not so happy attitude, and please don't mind me without any makeup on because this is me with 0 ounces of makeup. Look at Dylan, you guys.
Sure.
And let's get into it. Also guys, my room is very, very small. I have the smallest room in the house, and funny story, we got to choose our rooms. Okay, so you start by opening my door, and you walk in and you see my bed. And on the left you see all my outfits for the week. I know that one's gone, don't worry. But you open it, and then these are just, that whole bathing suits, and that whole blankets. But I just have a body pillow, 2 head pillows, and then 3 throw pillows, TV, and just picture that there. And when I lay down, this is above my head. You are beautiful just the way you are. Also, this is a trundle bed, so under here, this can pull out, and it has a second bed under it. And that'll pull out to a king size bed. Then I just have my robe, and my mirror with paint over it, and has some hats. And this is just, you know, all for church, all that fun stuff. All of my necklaces. This is my calendar, hair stuff, don't worry about that. Then I have just all these clear drawers, like facial stuff, basketball stuff, electronics. I have my desk, and under it, I have a hoverboard, trash, makeup mirror, my blanket, makeup, hydro flask, and a makeup box. Then on my desk I have my Louis Vuitton bag, a picture, my Alexa. And then I have this little sign that says, I love you, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. I have this candle. You guys want to smell? I know, it smells good, huh? My favorite from Bath & Body Works. Small Fireside. And then I just have all of this over here. Stuff to get out from your braces, facial, brow stuff. A lot of face masks. And all that. Hair stuff, not the cleanest. You know, I can't really clean that. When we come back down here, we have my perfumes. We have a sock bucket. Socks, nothing crazy. Shoes. This is like my jewelry, you know, some rings, some bracelets. These are just like memories, like when I went to Blue Man Group, babysitting card. I have like my Blue Man Group ticket, me and my best friend Island, that football ticket, just tickets and all that. That's stuff that I, you know, don't really use a lot. I have a big thing of red vines that I've had forever, and I still haven't finished them. Books, some bath salts, candles, like 3 hand sanitizers, more candy, hair stuff, more hair stuff. I have scarves and beanies. I have onesies, a lot of them. And then these are my LuLaRoe leggings. I have shoes up there, bags, hats. I have some bras, undies, and then I have closet space. I have shirts, I have shorts, I have pants, and then I think that's it. I'm still sick. Sorry about that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like. Comment down below what you want to see in any video, because because I really want to know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, because it's pretty awesome. I love you guys so much.